Hey there, Smartsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our tutorial series, where we break down the latest features to make your project management a breeze. Today, in video 433, we're tackling how to move a sheet to a workspace in Smartsheet 2025. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered sheets, this quick guide will help you organize everything like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, why does this matter? In Smartsheet's 2025 update, workspaces are like digital folders that group your sheets, reports, and dashboards for better collaboration and efficiency. Moving a sheet ensures your team has easy access without the chaos. It's a game changer for productivity. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Head over to the Home tab and locate the sheet you want to move. Once you find it, click on the sheet to open it. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to advanced options. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Move to Workspace. This option might vary slightly based on your account settings, but it's usually straightforward. Now, a new window will pop up showing your available workspaces. Browse through the list, select the destination workspace where you want the sheet to live, and hit Move. Smartsheet will handle the rest, transferring the sheet seamlessly without losing any data. One quick tip. Double-check permissions before moving, as this could affect who can view or edit the sheet. If you run into any issues, Smartsheet's Help Center has great resources. And there you have it. Your sheet is now neatly tucked away in the right workspace. This simple step can save you tons of time and keep your projects running smoothly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Smartsheet tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.